Hey, what's up XYO coin holder? This time my friend XYO token is completely on the trending, and definitely you can see here 57.12% they will get a profit, and all holders are very happy. I am also holding, my friends. 2 days ago I invest in XYO and I am very excited. So I expect, my friend, for all of you now to you will how you can happy, my friends. So this time, my friend, the XIO is completely under trending, so therefore I researched personally very highly about XIO. My viewers, my subscriber, I will suggest you, I will advise you to, if you also want to get a profit now, my friends, come in, and XYO is on the trending. Join us now, my friend. This time the market cap of XYO is completely on the trending. The price is also on the trending. Everything is going to be increasing now. All XIO, my friend, is completely, my friend, on the trending. So I will notify you if you want, my friends, to get a more and more, my friends, profits now. So do this what I talk you. I hope, my friend, you will be also go in the moon now, my friend. In this time the highest prices you can see here, they will hit now 0.05 USD dollars. So this is also in the current price, but you can see here the lowest here 0.03 USD dollar. So just in only in 2 days, 2 to 3 days, my friends, the price will get now more and more time, my friend, and the price will be increasing. So therefore I will notify you to please don't do anything, my friends, without formation, without, my friends, watching our videos. I will remember this is not a financial video is research personally, but I just advise you, my friend. Hope you understand. And this time, my friend, the market cap you can see at 57.17% profit now, and you can see here, my friend, the fully diluted market cap 57.17% profit. The volume in last 24 hours 160 125.18%. So that's a very good news, my friend, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will recover this all lost and get a very good profit. So therefore I hope, my friends, too, they will make you millionaire now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.